Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Point of Sale. First, you'll need to install the software on your computer. After installation, connect all your essential hardware, such as a barcode scanner and receipt printer. Then, set up your company's basic information, including tax rates and employee access. Finally, import your existing inventory data to get started quickly and efficiently. Managing your inventory is crucial for any retail business. With QuickBooks Point of Sale, you can easily add new products, complete with detailed descriptions and pricing. The system automatically tracks your stock levels, helping you avoid shortages. You can also perform physical inventory counts to ensure accuracy and generate purchase orders to efficiently restock popular items. Processing sales is straightforward and efficient. You can quickly ring up items using a barcode scanner or by searching for products. The system supports various payment methods, including credit cards and gift cards. It also makes applying discounts and processing customer returns simple. Once the transaction is complete, you can print or email a receipt to your customer. At the end of your day, QuickBooks Point of Sale provides powerful reporting tools. You can view daily sales summaries and generate detailed reports on sales performance, inventory movement, and customer trends. It also helps you reconcile your cash drawers to ensure everything balances. Completing the end-of-day closeout procedures is simple, preparing you for the next business day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.